Special cars don't come around like this very often. The boldest expression and example you will find of, in our opinion, the ultimate hot hatch, the Audi RS3. This is a 2022 example and the only one available in the UK in this colour, Solar Orange, a £2,500 factory order special paint colour. Wow, what a car it is. And if you want one of these cars, why not get it in something that nobody else has got, and that is this colour. It's the only one for sale in the current UK market, but this is the ultimate version of this car. It is the Vorsprung Quattro with the black edition styling. It is an incredible car from its specification to its performance. This new generation Audi RS3 is absolutely phenomenal front to back, from the lighting system, the design. This one's a sportback, and in, again, my opinion, I do know a lot about Audis. It is the shape to have over the saloon. It's just so much better to look at. For me, it's more practical, and what a car it is to own and run and hold its value, maybe keep in the garage, get out on nice sunny days. Some special notes to point out on this car: it has had a Gtechniq Ceramic Coating when it was new. The car is in a like new condition basically, but it's also had the PPF front end. So as an example goes, you won't find a better one, and trust me when I say that, it is a phenomenal car. Audi Dashcams fitted front and rear as well. It's got a Vodafone tracker fitted, so all them security features you'd want from owning a car like this, it has. But then let's talk about this car and what it offers you. It is a Vorsprung model, so from the front end you can see that wonderful lighting system, the dynamic lights with the dancing illumination LED. The grille from the front end, gloss black. It's a wide car, it's got the aggression you need, and the Vorsprung gives it that full black styling package, but it also gives it wonderful features like sliding roof, like Bang & Olufsen stereo, like adaptive cruise, like the camera system, like super sport seats, like head-up display. It doesn't want for anything, this car, performance-wise, spec-wise. So we're talking about 400 brake horsepower at this car, 3.8 seconds 0 to 60, four-wheel drive performance. There's nothing, I mean, even if you want a fast car and you've never driven an RS3, consider this car. It is an incredible car to drive. Let's look at the wheels while we're at the back end. So we have the 19-inch Y-spoke alloy wheels, but look at this design. It doesn't get more modern and futuristic with the colours used. We've got the grey sections, we've got the light grey sections, gloss black. Just an incredible car all round, it really is, and the high praise we give it is deserved. The colour is amazing, really is. And Solar Orange is, like I say, a factory order colour. It was £2,500. You know, it is a one-off, this car. Front to back, it is in a lovely order. Immaculate, should I say. You will not find a fault with it. We've got powered tailgate. Look at all these features on this car. Assisted tailgate, reversing camera, black styling to the rear, sports exhaust with the oval tailpipes, black badges, black RS3 badges, high-level brake light. But then let's look at the inside features as well. Keyless entry. We've got Audi puddle lights to entry level to the front as well. Ambient lighting inside, super sport seats, fine nappa leather. Look at the lines down this car as I shut this door. The angular lines of this new design are fabulous, but then look, the extended sills with the black sections, the air breathers to the front, mirror casings in black. I've mentioned the RS puddle lights. This car comes with electric seats with driver memory. Look at those super sport seats, carbon fibre interior. Special features. You know, it doesn't want for anything. It is a fabulous example. So if you are interested, please register your interest with me straight away. Call my number on the screen. It's obviously under Audi warranty until 2022, and you get breakdown assistance Europe-wide with that as well. But what a car, really do it. Just under 4,000 miles, 3,900 miles. Into the door, we'll see finishes like no other: Alcantara, leather, memory seats, full electric seats for driver and passenger with memory, B&O stereo. Seats are quilted, fine nappa leather, but it is absolutely immaculate. RS embossed onto the seats, this lovely quilted section to the middle. Of course, we have tech pack with this RS3, so it is fully integrated into driver capabilities, from tailoring the driving modes how you want them to be, to the interactive head-up display. So if you're driving this car to its full potential, then you are looking at the road and using that head-up display. It's a big feature. Obviously, driving it through the paddle shifts will give you the ultimate performance for this car. But then look up, we've got sliding sunroof, black headlining. I've mentioned the head-up display, but Everything is wonderful. This is a one-owner car. It was ordered new from Audi and spec'd specifically for a real enthusiast Audi person who's owned these cars throughout the years and ordered them in special paint colours each and every time. So the person who's bought this car and owned it and spec'd it from new knows exactly what to do to get the ultimate RS3 example. Right, we've got adaptive cruise control, which is just behind the steering wheel here, another big feature. Driver-specific RS mode, so you can tailor your drive modes and instantly change them off the steering wheel. The tech pack giving you power, torque and G meters through the virtual dashboard. And of course, you can tailor that to show all your information that you want to see as the driver. Wireless smartphone interface, navigation, Bluetooth, you know, everything you'd want from the internet, you know. And then this new design cockpit almost wraps around the driver, which is great. Carbon fiber interior, which in this car is matte carbon fiber, so the full dashboard is in that carbon fiber. It's an option, but it looks fabulous. Of course, important features of this car, it's got heated front seats, but you've got the driving modes from efficiency to dynamic, and then you've got your tailored driving modes where you can basically design your own driving performance from the suspension, the steering, tailor it all. Really, really impressive stuff. Into reverse, you'll see we've got reversing camera, top view camera, the car will park itself, and everything is very, very slick with the design to the center console. The tunnel down the middle is all in gloss black, which is lovely. We've got electric park brake, space under the armrest. I just think if somebody wants an example to own and keep, then there isn't a better one for sale in the UK market. We've also priced it well as well. Pricing is always key with us here. We always make sure that we're pricing the cars to sell them, but this car is just special. It really is. From the fact that it's been bought and ordered by a real enthusiast of this particular type of car, but also the fact that it has been PPF'd, it's been ceramic coated, it's been spec'd properly, and it is in a wonderful order on a 22, just under 4,000 miles. What a car this is. My name's Richard. Call me on my number on the screen and talk to me about it. Thanks for watching.